In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Chrome settings in just a few seconds. This is one of the simplest things you can do in Google Chrome, but it's also one of the most useful because once you know where settings are, you can change your home page, manage privacy options, update passwords, control autofill, and customize your browser the way you want. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on what device you're using. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon, which is also called the More menu. This menu contains a lot of important Chrome options, including history, downloads, extensions, zoom controls, and of course, settings. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, look near the bottom and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. As soon as you do that, Chrome will open the Settings page in a new tab, where you can manage all of your browser preferences. From here, you can adjust privacy and security settings, change the search engine, manage site permissions, and personalize Chrome to fit your workflow. And that's it! You've successfully opened Chrome settings. It really only takes 3 quick steps. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right, and select Settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple how-to guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.